Part of the promise of the all-in-one design is simplicity. And of course, it makes sense to offer a wireless keyboard and mouse, and now we're including it as a standard feature of the new iMac.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be taking a look at Apple's 2009 Magic Keyboard and discussing whether it's still worth buying in 2023. The keyboard has been out for quite a while now, so let's dive in and see if it's still a viable option for everyday use. Firstly, let's talk about the design of the keyboard. The keyboard is a sleek and slim keyboard which is perfect for those who like minimalism and travel. It's made of high quality materials and has a beautiful aluminium finish. The keyboard has a low profile, which means that it's very comfortable to type on and easy on your wrist. One of the features of the Magic Keyboard is its battery life. Apple claims that the keyboard can last up to a month on a single set of batteries, which is pretty impressive. In my experience, I've found the keyboard lasts a really long time and I never have to change the batteries. One thing to note is the Magic Keyboard is not rechargeable and takes 2 AA batteries to operate. However, you can always opt for rechargeable batteries if you prefer a more eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Just make sure the rechargeable batteries you choose are compatible with the keyboard and have enough capacity to provide a decent battery life. Let's talk about the most important part of any keyboard, the keys. The Magic Keyboard has scissor key switch keys which provide a great typing experience. The keys are responsive and provide a good amount of feedback when you type. The keys are also very quiet, which is great if you're typing in a quiet environment. I mainly use this keyboard on my Mac and iPad and it works great on both devices. It's easy to connect to both devices via Bluetooth, automatically switches between devices seamlessly. One thing to keep in mind is that the keyboard can get a little bit dirty over time, especially if you're using it a lot. But don't worry, cleaning it is very easy. All you need is some isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the keys. This will keep your keyboard feeling and looking like brand new. Another great thing about the 2009 Magic Keyboard is it's relatively affordable. You can find them on eBay for around $20 to $40 depending on the condition and the seller. This makes it a great option for those who want a good quality keyboard without breaking the bank. Overall, I think the 2009 Magic Keyboard is still worth buying in 2023. It's a great keyboard for those who want a sleek design, a comfortable typing experience, and a long battery life. However, it might not be the best option for those who need a number pad or want a more advanced keyboard with features such as a backlight. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you still use the 2009 Magic Keyboard and if you think it's still worth buying in 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech-related content like this one. My goal is to get 200 subscribers by the end of the month. Come on, I know we can do it. Anyways, that's all for me. Goodbye.